I'm so proud to introduce to you the Maxmango V08 Pro underwater adventure camera. Yep, that's the rear-facing screen, but with a touch of a button, it has a front-facing screen also. Not a mirror, but that's a front-facing screen. Let's look at the photos and videos this camera takes, and then we'll come back and talk about all of the specs. Let's go. Guys, this is photo class 636. It's the Maxmango V08 Pro underwater, rugged, dust-proof, waterproof, shock-proof, 90 megapixel camera that takes video with audio in 8K. Has a built-in light right up here for your videos and the fill light on your still photographs. Why do you need a touchscreen? Well, you just press M and up comes your menu. You go through each and every one of the items with the touchscreen, such as your Wi-Fi. Oh, Wi-Fi? Guess what? You take your pictures and videos and you shoot them with Wi-Fi right to your phone, and you can share them around the world instantly. Then it has your autofocus choices, your setup, album, videotape, and photograph settings. It's absolutely great. Then you just press M and you go back to shooting. All right, so beautiful touch screen on the back, nice and big, and as you can see, very colorful. Now, underwater, it's just as bright. Gorgeous. You don't need a special housing like on the old GoPros to put it in. Nope, this goes right into the water, and that's how I shot this video. This is a screen for selfies right in the front. Or if you want to do vlogging, just like this, you don't need a flippy screen because the buttons on top are for your zoom, wide angle, and telephoto. It also has your button very easily to switch from still photography to taking videos in 8K, and then you can switch right back. On the top, this is how you take your pictures and you can start the video. And the next one is an SOS button. Now you might say, why do I need an SOS light on my camera? Don't forget, you might be doing some cave diving and you want to signal to the person that you're diving with. Right there, you press SOS and you have a pre-dive drill where you go, if any of us have the SOS flash going, let's go back to the top of the surface. All right, then you can shut that off. Then you have the button which switches from the front screen to the rear screen, and the power button. Okay, very simple. This is your lens, fully protected behind glass, waterproof glass. Now, on the bottom, this is a double lock system. You have to have both locks showing the red or orange dot, which means your battery, it comes with the battery, and the micro SD card, which it also comes with, is locked up behind this waterproof door. Now, you charge the battery with access right here. You open that up, and there's your charge port right there. It takes a regular USB-C cord, which it comes with. Your micro SD card sits right in here, and your battery, which is replaceable, sits right in here. You lock up this heavy rubber door, right? And then you must lock both locks to show the orange dots right there. That means when you look quickly, okay, it's all locked up. Now we're waterproof. If you're going to go snorkeling or diving, this is for you. The 64 gig micro SD card that it comes with worked perfectly. Make sure you format it before you use it. Let's go through it. It's not only good for the summer warmer weathers. How about this? In the winter, snowy and cold conditions, it operates to negative 10 degrees centigrade, which is 14 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes JPEGs. It's basically an all-weather, rugged, including dusty environments. You might just be going to the beach and then the wind whips up and now that sand is blowing everywhere. With a regular camera, it's doomed because the sand will get in behind the lens and just ruin your camera. Not with this camera. This is completely sealed. You can hook it up where it's basically point and shoot, easy photography. The modes it comes with is auto, easy, macro, movie, selfie, and underwater mode. It weighs 251 grams. Autofocus is great. When you're ready to take a picture, you just hold it down and you'll get a green square over your subject. That means it's in focus and you can take the picture. So now on the micro SD card that it comes with, 64 gigs, I determined that you can take 4,000 plus photos with it. And of course, this is live view on the back screen. Now, you might be wondering, do I recommend this for not only underwater video filming and photography, but do I recommend it for everyday shooting? Absolutely. Plus, you take this out, you'll get noticed because this is the Maxmango Pro V08. Get one. I'll put a link below.